Now let's look at rolling a die. Chance of getting a 6 on a die. There's only one face with a 6, so that will be 1 out of 6. An odd number, we have 1, 3, and 5. 3 odd numbers, so that will be 3 out of 6. More than 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers, so 4 out of 6. And 8, there's no 8 on a die, so that is 0. A number less than 7 is 1. Now be careful. When you are asked to work out probability, they want the numbers, the answers like this. Don't start saying unlikely or impossible or even. Those are only for description. So working out probability, work out the real numbers. To put the events on a scale, they are out of 6. So you put a probability scale divided into 6 sections. You can now put the events on the scale accordingly. As you can see. And that is done. Now you can be asked to describe it. So event I is unlikely. I events. I likely. Impossible. Certain. So you now understand why we call this event unlikely, because it's between impossible and events. And we call this likely because it's between events and certain. Now when it